Today we're making the ultimate Paneer Cheese Grilled Sandwich. Crispy outside, cheesy inside, and ready in minutes. Let's gather everything we need.
Grate the fresh paneer into a large mixing bowl. Add mozzarella and processed cheese for an irresistible cheese pull. Now mix in onion, capsicum, tomato, sweet corn, coriander, and your favorite seasonings. Now mix everything until the filling becomes perfectly combined. Spread butter and green chutney on fresh bread slices. Add a generous layer of the paneer filling. Close the sandwich and butter the outer side. Grill until perfectly golden and crispy.
Slice it in half and watch the delicious cheese stretch.
Serve hot with mint chutney and ketchup. Try this recipe today and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.